today I want us to continue with typecasting. Now, typecasting simply means changing a variable from one data type to another, or converting a value from one data type to another. That is what I'm trying to say. For example, you are working with some data set. The amount is in quotes 1,000, so it is a string variable at this point. So let me print it and let's see. Amount. This is printing 1,000, and what you wanted primarily is a number so that you can perform some other functions on it. Let's say, for instance, total equals amount times, let's say 100. Total amount. So you see that it is not working the way you expected it to be. What you have to do to correct this is number one, convert the amount to a number data type. The amount here should be a number or a float, any of them. Let's say int amount. Cast a data type from one to another. You bring the new data type that you want to cast to. So for instance, I want to cast to integer. So I'll bring int, then the amount or the variable that I want to convert. Now let's multiply int amount by 100. You realize that you have gotten the result you are looking for. So that is what we call typecasting. So I can convert it to float. Since it is an amount figure, it can be converted even to float. Float into bracket amount, and then do the conversion, and then I will float amount instead of int amount. You realize that it's converted for me, but you notice that it has added some decimal place. Your assignment is going to be, you're going to cast the following two. So you are going to cast 2 to float, 1.4 to float, and then hello to float. You will cast it to see if it will work. So let me just say, for instance, I want to cast string float. So I'll say float into brackets. So let's see what happens when we try converting a string to a numeric value. So you see that it's giving me an error. String is not a numeric value. When you are practicing this on your own, I expect you to get some error on number 3. For the second one, you shouldn't get any error anyway. So this is what you are to practice right now. So your turn, that one, you can try it later when you are practicing stuff on your own. Okay, thank you so much for your time.
If you have not subscribed yet, please do and click the notification button so that you will be the first to know when we release a new video. Visit academy.tyncad.com and see you in the next video.